बाकी देश की तरह गुलाबी नगरी में भी देशी विदेशी सैलानियों का नए साल के आगमन से पहले काफी ज्यादा आगमन जारी है। मैं हूं इस समय मौजूद जयपुर के जंतर मंतर पर और यहां पर कई देशी विदेशी सैलानी आए हुए हैं। ये जगहें जो हैं जयपुर की, भले ही वो आमेर का किला हो, जंतर मंतर हो, हवा महल हो, एल्बर्ट हॉल हो, देशी विदेशी सैलानियों से लबरेज है। और इस समय आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से भारी भीड़ यहां पर मौजूद है। पिछले साल के मुकाबले कई ज्यादा देशी विदेशी सैलानी इस बार केवल जयपुर में आए हैं और जयपुर के अलावा उदयपुर, जैसलमेर, जोधपुर, ये तमाम वो जगहें हैं जहां पर देशी विदेशी सैलानी भारी संख्या में पहुंच रहे हैं। इस साल केवल जयपुर में पिछले करीब 10 दिनों में 5 लाख से ज्यादा देशी विदेशी सैलानी यहाँ के किलों, संग्रहालयों को देखने पहुंचे हैं। और जंतर मंतर की ये जो जगह है आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर किस तरह से कई देशी विदेशी सैलानी पहुंचे हुए हैं। मेरे साथ कई विदेशी सैलानी हैं जो कि इंग्लैंड से आए हैं। हाय मैम, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I'm Leslie.
Leslie, how has your time out here in Jaipur in particular been, and how has the Indian experience been so far?
I've loved being in India. I think it's very beautiful, your city in Jaipur. Lots of things happening, very busy.
Are you hoping to welcome 2026 in Jaipur itself?
Sadly, we're going to be at the Taj Mahal for New Year itself, but we wanted to try and enjoy the experience of Jaipur as well. So
Where all have you been so far in Jaipur? Have you been to Albert Hall, Hawa Mahal, City Palace?
we've been to the crematorium for the Maharajas, and we've been to watch the sunset last night up on the top of the hill.
I believe you undertook the elephant ride as well at the Amer.
We did. We went to the Amber Fort and we did ride up on an elephant.
How was that experience?
Very, very exciting. We were surprised how much the elephant rocks backwards and forwards.
First time in India?
Yes, my first time.
And how has the experience been in terms of the kind of stereotypical images that have been created about India, about its experiences? How has your personal experience?
I don't really have any stereotypes of what I think Indian people are like.
Generally, in Abroad.
Generally, I think you're very friendly, warm, welcoming sort of people. And people are very helpful. So if ever we're anywhere and we're not sure where we need to go or how to find somewhere, people are very, very helpful.
It's great, Leslie, that you have had a good time so far, and I hope you continue to do so. I also do have someone else also who is also from UK. What's your name, sir?
I'm Peter. I'm Leslie's son.
Wonderful. How old are you, Peter? And is this also the first time for you? How has your experience been so far?
I'm 26, and this is my first time in Jaipur, but I've come to India once before to go to Bangalore in the south and Kochi.
How has the experience been so far? Have you loved it, not loved it?
I really liked it, to be fair, yeah. We've been staying at a homestay nearby, which has been really convenient. It's only my second day here, but I think we had tea. Or...
Where all have you been so far, and are you planning to extend your stay in Jaipur for some more time?
Well, I'm staying the exact same time as Leslie because we're travelling together. So I went to Nagaraja Fort.
Nahargarh Fort. So you've been to Amer Killa also,
and we went to Amber Fort, Amber Palace. And then we've literally just come here for sort of 10 minutes.
Well, wonderful. I hope you have a great time going forward as well.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. सर, आपका क्या नाम है?
सर, मेरा नाम संदीप है, मैं मुंबई से आया हूँ।
आप यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं और जगह भी घूमे हैं आप?
मैं अभी जोधपुर घूम चुका हूँ, जैसलमेर घूम चुका हूँ और अभी मेरा ये जयपुर है।
कैसा सर एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत ही अच्छा था।
रश बहुत ज्यादा है, क्राउड बहुत ज्यादा है, क्या आपको लग रहा है उस वजह से थोड़ा सा?
जोधपुर और जैसलमेर में अभी तक तो कम था बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम 23rd of December, बट नाउ डे आई थिंक द न्यू ईयर इज कमिंग, आई थिंक द रश इज कमिंग।
आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम अनन्या गौंड है।
Ananya, where are you from?
मुंबई।
How has your experience been so far out here?
So fun.
Is it your first time in Jaipur?
Yes, first.
Have you liked it, loved it so far?
A lot. I loved it.
And you're planning to spend January 1st in Jaipur itself?
Yeah, I might.
Wonderful. Ma'am, what's your name?
Mamta.
Mamta, how has your experience been so far? Have you seen around, gone to places like Amber Fort?
Yeah, it's very beautiful place. Actually, I visited earlier also, but this is my second time also with my family actually.
There is a lot of rush this time round. There are tourists from India and from other places as well. Has that added to the fun part or has that hampered your experience so far?
not hampered actually. It's also fun with lots of people. They are also visiting. We are also visiting. The same experience.
Well, several tourist guides are also out here who have been making hay while the sun shines literally in Jaipur. This is a kind of a summer, a winter afternoon where people have been arriving out here and enjoying this period in Jaipur, December afternoon. Nadeem, you have been ensuring that a lot of tourists are guided properly, get to see a lot of places. Is this something which, the kind of rush that is there, is this something unexpected?
No, we have seen this rush every time. So it's always same, like from 20th December until 5th of January. It is all like same. Like nowadays we have seen that mainly domestic tourists has increased in Jaipur city. So that's why there is a lots of rush tour nowadays here in Jaipur.
तो साफ तौर पर यहाँ पर आप जो टूरिस्ट देख रहे हैं पिछले साल के मुकाबले ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट हैं और जनवरी 1 से राजस्थान की सरकार ने तय किया है कि कई जो किले हैं, मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, संग्रहालय हैं, उनका जो एंट्री फीस है उसकी जो अमाउंट है उसको बढ़ा दिया जाएगा। कई जगहों पर जैसे कि हवा महल है, आमेर का किला है, वहाँ पर तो डबल तक बात करने की कही जा रही है जो एंट्री फीस है। और जिस तरह से यहाँ पर रश नज़र आ रहा है वो बताता है कि किस तरह से गुलाबी नगरी लोगों की, सैलानियों की पहली पसंद बनती हुई साफ तौर पर नजर आ रही है। कैमरा पर्सन मनीष के साथ देवंकुर वधावन, जयपुर आज तक।